So for our batik, we will be applying this washable glue to our bag here. We'll be drawing on some designs. So what I want you to think about right now is how much of this bag do you want to have colorful designs on it? Do you want to do just a small thing down in the corner, maybe, or maybe up here, or in the center? Or are you feeling like you want the whole thing to be pretty colorful? Okay, so think about that a little bit. So if you grab this page here, this gives you some examples of some traditional symbols from West Africa. These are called Adinkra symbols, and you see them on fabric designs all over Ghana and other countries in West Africa. So the reason why you have this in your kit is for you to look at and decide if you want to use any of these symbols in your design. So say maybe you want your bag to show something about friendship. You could draw this design really nice and big on your bag. Maybe you want to express something about greatness. Check that one out. Okay, it's like 3 circles is the symbol for greatness. We've got patience, cooperation, okay, all sorts of things. So check that page out, see if there's any symbols on there that are meaningful to you. And then when you decide what you would like to use, you're going to go to your bag and figure out where they're going to go. I'm actually going to be working on this smaller bag just because it's easier to see in this video. And so I don't have as much area to work with here. So I'll probably just do 2 symbols. But if you remember, your bag is a lot bigger than mine. So if you want to do, 4 or 5 symbols, totally up to you, okay? Now, you can draw your symbols on beforehand if you want, lightly with a pencil, or you can just go for it, which I highly recommend, okay? And all you'll do is go in with your glue. Let's see, I'm gonna try to draw this symbol here, this one that means bravery. So I see I have a spiral here, okay? So, in fact, I'm just gonna draw it really nice and big. So you just take your squeeze bottle and draw. It's pretty fun. Okay, these designs need to be fairly simple. Okay, if you go in and try to write a whole poem on here, they won't really show up very well. Okay, the lines need to have some space between them. Okay. If I tried to write some little words in there or put in a whole bunch of little details, my glue probably is just gonna end up globbing together a little bit and I won't be able to see that in my design. Okay, so you can see here I've got one of my symbols going. I will probably add some details around the edges, maybe a border or maybe some other smaller symbols. But go ahead and grab your glue bottle and fill up your bag anywhere where you want designs to show through. At this point, we need to leave this to dry for about a day. So now's a good time to go explore that digital page and learn more about Ghana, or maybe even try out the other project.